natungtong ang Raiders and Alaska Painters sa finals. Hindi naging madali ang kanilang pag-angat mula sa isang mapagsik na semi-series kontra ng Alaska Aces.
Overtime kasi Bilbo Vega says, I need to find the target. Where's Calvin? There you are!
I knew we were going to go far. I knew Alaska series was going to go far. It was a tough series. We caught a break in game 4 when he slipped and fell. Sometimes you need luck. Walker probably was the toughest grad player so far in the PBA. But that's the proudest mentally for this series.
Sa kanilang franchise history, ito ang ika-4 nilang finals appearance at ika-3 kontra ang San Mig Coffee franchise.
This is a matchup that they want to see both teams very evenly matched up.
At sa muling paghaharap nila sa finals, ganado ang Alaska Painters para makapawi sa Mixers at makadagdag ng tagumpay sa kanilang kasaysayan. Sa kabuang panig, naging matatag na ang winning culture ng San Mig Super Coffee Mixers. Magmula na pumasok rito si Coach Tim Cole. Malaking bagay nga naman ang kampyonato ito para sa Mixers dahil ito ang magbibigay sa franchise ng kanilang kauna-unahang Grand Slam.
We wanted to be the crown jewel because we felt that if we could be the crown jewel of our organization, we knew that there were 2 other great teams already there. So that was really one of our ultimate goals, was to try to be the number 1 team in our organization. Winning championships, the road to winning a championship is always different. Obviously, we found out now the road to win a Grand Slam is also very different. So, you don't know what to expect, and you just take on what's there and you attack it and do your best at it.
Being with Coach Tim, it's a learning process. You can see how meticulous he is to detail. Kaya siya nanalo ng ganong karaming beses sa liga. The thing that carries this team is their passion for winning and the willingness to put it in a different gear, especially on the defensive. They know what the moment entails from them and they're able to bring it out.
At sa kasaysayan ng PBA, 4 na koponan pa lamang ang nakagawa nito.
Well, the neatest thing right now is being able to coach in 2 different eras. I mean, that era back then was very different from the era now. On a competitive standpoint, on a size standpoint, it's all very different. But the emotions are still very much the same.
Yung character at yung chemistry na na-build up ni Coach Tim, yun yung pinaka-crucial. That's why, yun yung one of the biggest similarities siguro na nakikita ko before yung Alaska team namin at yung San Mig Coffee today.
Alam ni Coach Tim na makakadagdag ng pressure ang posibilidad na makamit ang achievement nito. Kaya sa umpisa pa ay inilibis niya ang team dito para tumutok lamang sa nakagawian nilang trabaho.
Sinasabi niya sa amin na huwag mo na lang isipin yun kasi the more mo iniisip yung Grand Slam, the more ka talaga mapapressure and syempre mag-iiba yung game mo.
Sabi nga ni Coach, hindi huwag namin pag-usapan yung Grand Slam. Ayaw namin mag-usap kami na may Grand Slam na kagad. Dapat kunin muna namin yung isang game.
Fingers flashing. They go to Blakely, top of the game. Blakely almost lost his footing. Gets into the team for the tie.
Tulad ng dati, bagamat di sila nagtapos ng elimination round sa itaas ng standings, ay nakaabot pa rin ang Mixers sa semis. Dito, nasubukan sila ng gusto ng walk and text in 5 days.
James against Harris. James has to put it up. Yes! James Young at the buzzer.
Unbelievable. That series could have gone good. Kung titignan mo yung series na yan, 2 overtime games, isa nanalo kami, isa nanalo sila. 2 games that you can say na malaking lamangan, games 2 and game 3.
Ngayon ay nabuo na ang mga tauhan sa huling finals ng taon at inaasahan ng marami na magiging maganda ang tambalan nito.